I've been asked to multiply a binomial times a trinomial. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and set up my area model. So I'm going to take my two terms, my binomial, and put it over here on the side, x plus 4. And then my trinomial along the top, so 2x squared plus 3x minus 8. And now I'm just going to fill in my area model. So to do this, I'm thinking about each one of these as their own individual rectangles. So I've got length times width, so I've got x times 2x squared. So x times 2x squared, we got 2. And then when I'm multiplying like bases, I'm going to have to add my exponents. I'm going to just go ahead and remind myself that's x to the 1. So 1 plus 2, adding my exponents, is x to the third power. Okay, so now I'm going to work on the area of my second little square. So again, I have x, that's my length, times 3x. So x times 3x is going to be 3. X to the 1 power plus 1 power is 2 power. So 3x squared. Okay, then I'm going to do my third box. Again, I've got length times width. So x times negative 8 is negative 8x. Okay, so now we're going to move down to the second row. In my second row, I'm going to just focus one box at a time. I've got the area of this first box will be length, which is positive 4, times width, which is 2x squared. So that's going to give me 8x squared. And now I'm going to focus on my second box. I've got length of 4 and width of 3x. So 4 times 3x is 12x. And then finally I have my last box. My very last box down here, length times width. I'm getting my length is this 4 over here. My width is this negative 8, so 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. Now, the very last thing I have to do is combine everything to get my area of this whole thing. I need to combine everything that's alike. So focus on the pattern here. The pattern is the very first box is always all by itself. So this guy doesn't have any other like terms. So we're going to go ahead and just write him down first. So 2x to the third. And then notice, and I use colors to help you see it, notice that we have like terms. Again, our peanut pairs. So 8x squared plus 3x squared. We're combining, we're adding bases with exponents. So we do nothing to the exponents. So that's just plus 11x squared. Okay, and then now we have another peanut pair. 12x minus 8x is 4x. And then finally our last box. Last box should have no like terms as well. And that comes here at the end, minus 32. And that is my answer.